Complete oral care for the whole family. The Home Dental Center is an all-in-one solution for your family's oral care needs. This compact countertop station features an UltraSonic toothbrush producing 31,000 VPM with 3 distinct cleaning modes, inductive charging and an auto timer. The other half of this oral wellness center features smart water flosser that produces powerful yet gentle jets of water designed to dislodge food and stimulate and massage gums. UltraSonic Toothbrush. The sonic toothbrush produces a whopping 31,000 vibrations per minute with 3 different modes including normal, soft. It also features a built-in 2-minute auto timer and 30-second interval timer to let you know to brush different areas of your mouth. Convenient inductive charging lets you place back in its dock to charge wirelessly. Smart Water Flosser. Each home dental center features our renowned AquaFlosser oral irrigator. AquaFlosser has been clinically proven to be up to 5x more effective than traditional flossing while also being gentler on gums and teeth. A powerful and rechargeable lithium-ion battery produces directed water jets to dislodge food and plaque. It also includes 3 convenient usage modes. It is also a perfect alternative to string floss for users with braces. Use AquaFlosser to cut flossing team in. Everything is included. The HDC includes 10 accessories and attachments including the docking base, 4 color-coded brush heads, an interdental brush head, and 4 AquaFlosser tips including 2 standard nozzles, an orthodontic tip, and tongue cleaner. You have everything you need right out of the box. What's in the box? 1 smart toothbrush, 4 color-coded brush heads, 1 interdental brush head, 1 oral irrigator, 2 jet nozzles, 1 orthodontic tip, 1 tongue cleaner, 1 dental mirror, 1 docking stand, 1 charger, instruction and support contact manual. Top reviews from the United States. Yay! I've been looking for a replacement that has an automatic timer that will pause after 30 seconds so you can switch quads in your mouth and has a flosser with it, and this is it. And the flosser is even better than my old one. It's wireless, super easy to use.